So my name is I'm a mechanical engineering major. This is the MakerBrace, and I am one of the researchers slash designer of the team. The whole idea was that we went with NYU Langone, and we found out that approximately 1 every 50 kids have this problem, have muscular cerebral problem, which are not able to either grasp or let go of things really easily. So we kind of were like, okay, let's partner up with Langone, let's partner up with the Ability Project and so on and so forth, and trying to figure out a way to make something that, as you said, something so easy possible for kids, so that you don't have to spend thousands of dollars on orthotics and make them spend just like $30 a maximum, pretty much. This was this is an open source file in which we got a lot of ideas from, as in it's completely mechanical. So use the tension that you create in the arm to kind of grasp and let go of things really easily. And this first design is pretty much based on that same concept. So you wear it like this, and with strings attached, you kind of just it follows the motion of the arm. Because those kids usually are able to move the upper part of the arm, so the elbow can still move freely, but it's the grasp on it that doesn't work as well. So this is one of our first iteration, which worked, but we realized that a lot of it was not needed, the bottom part of it is not needed. So we went on until we got to this iteration, which is our last iteration. And it's not completely made, in front of it there is this part, which just clips onto this. And through fishing nets and a 90-degree angle, we kind of just follow the tension, the force from the arm better, and creates tension so that it alleviates the movement of the arm itself.
Tell me a story of one of the times that you got to hand a working brace to a young child.
We are not allowed to actually give them directly the brace, but we saw a lot of improvement, as in it's really heartwarming when you see them the first time and they are not able to grab something as easy as a phone like this, and take a long time to do it, and after a while you just see them practice with the brace every week for months and months and months, until it comes to a point that they not only can do this, but they can also draw really easier than before. And the major goal that personally I think is the core of this project is that after they take the brace on, they're still able to retain that motion. They're still able to it's not as great as with the brace, but you can see improvement coming through, which is really, really important, because what we're hoping is that, especially since we work with little kids, as an adult, that kind of improvement will not go away.